Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Anydesk on both machines. Do it now so you can move quickly. Once installed, open the app and note the 9 or shorter character Anydesk address it shows. Make sure to grant requested permissions like screen recording or accessibility on Mac OS or Windows to enable remote control. If you're the controller, ask the remote user to read their address aloud. Once you both have addresses, keep one window visible and prepare to initiate the connection in the next step. You now enter the other party's Anydesk address and press connect. This starts the handshake. Once the remote user receives the incoming request, they'll see permission options, ask them to accept and grant remote control or file transfer as needed. Make sure to choose the correct session type because that sets available tools and bandwidth use. If a password is configured, type it when prompted. Once authenticated, check resolution and sound settings to optimize performance before you begin working together. You're in, use the top toolbar to transfer files, share clipboard contents, chat, record the session, or request elevated privileges. If you need to reboot the remote machine, use the provided remote reboot option, then reconnect after it boots. When finished, click disconnect or simply close the Anydesk window. Verify the other user's session ended as expected. If something goes wrong, check the firewall and permissions, update Anydesk on both ends, and confirm both devices have stable network access before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.